Today I am going to show you an amazing multiplication trick based on Vedic maths. Just see this video till last and you will understand this multiplication and you will able to do with a little bit of practice orally. This multiplication trick works with the number closer to multiple of power of 10, like 10 square 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So the numbers which are closer to these numbers, it will be very easy to do the multiplication of that number. So let's start with the easy number first. 99 multiplied by 98. Now it's impossible to do orally if you don't know the trick, but now once you know the trick you will be able to do this type of multiplication orally. These two numbers are closer to 100, that means our base for this multiplication will be 100. Its base is very important whenever you are doing this multiplication. So what I will draw one vertical line and now I will write some number. So if I minus 99 from 100, what I will get is 1. So I am writing that 1 in front of 99, and if I subtract 98 from 100, I will get 2. So I am writing that 2 in front of 98, and I have made this like this 2 columns. So what to do now? Very easy. You will get the answer in 2 parts. Multiplication of these two numbers will give you one part, and then subtraction is there, that I will explain afterwards. So we will multiply these two numbers. 2 ones are 2. One important point you have to remember, that how many number of zeros are there. So multiplication of this answer, you should get that many digit in your answer. Means what? Here 2 zeros are there, that means multiplication of these two, you should get 2 digit answer. So 2 ones are 2, I am getting only 2. This is not a 2 digit answer. So I will make this 1 digit into 2 digit by adding 0 before 2. So now this is a 2 digit answer, correct? So this is the most important part, I will say, otherwise nothing is difficult in this. How many zeros are there, that many digit answer should come by the multiplication of these two numbers which we are writing on the right hand side. Now very simple thing is remaining, that is I will say cross subtraction. Either you subtract this 2 from 99 or you subtract 1 from 98, answer will come same. 99 minus 2 is 97 and 98 minus 1 is 97. So here your answer is ready. This is the answer of 99 multiplied by 98. You can check on your calci. Let's multiply now 997 multiply 998. Now these two numbers are closer to which number? So what is our base? These two numbers are closer to 1000 and this is our base. Okay, so let's make 2 column. Now 1000 minus 997 is 3, so I am writing 3 in front of 997, and 1000 minus 998 I am writing in is 2, and I am writing in front of 998. So again let's multiply these two. 3 2s are 6. I am getting only 1 digit answer. Now how many digit answer I want? I want 3 digit answer because zeros are 3. So how I will convert this 1 digit into 3 digit? By adding 2 zeros. So now my answer is 3 digit answer, correct? Next step is cross subtraction. Either you subtract this or this, both way answer you are going to get same. 997 minus 2 or 998 minus 3, answer is same, that is 995. Your answer is ready, 995006. If you don't believe, see, 997 minus into 998 is 995006. If you do little bit practice, you will be able to do it orally also. Okay, and it works with the number which are greater than like 1000 or 100. Here we done subtraction, there we have to do addition. So 105 multiplied by 103. Now these numbers are bigger than 100. It doesn't matter, logic is same, concept is same. Okay, so these two numbers are closer to 100, so our base is 100. Our base is 100. So let's make 2 column again. Now 105 is greater than 100 by 5. So I will say 100 plus 5 is 105. So 105 is greater than 100 by 5, and 103 is greater than 100 by 3. Okay, so Let's multiply again. 5 3s are 15. I got 2-digit answer multiplication of these two. I got 2-digit answer, and I want 2-digit answer because number of zeros are 2. And previously we have done cross subtraction. Now we have to do addition. Okay, so 105 plus 3 or 103 plus 5, answer is going to come same. So what it will be? 108. And now your answer is ready. 10815. So when the number is bigger than 100 or 1000, you have to take the addition, and when the numbers are smaller, that time you have to do the subtraction. I hope you understood